Here's how you can download Google Chrome on PC and mobile. You can simply navigate to any browser that you have on your PC. So you can go to the search bar or click the start icon and search for browser. Now, any browser you'll have will start appearing here. Simply hit enter and it will instantly open up that browser. Click on the search icon and search for Google Chrome and hit enter. Now, scroll down and navigate to Chrome web browser google.com. Now, on this page, simply click this download Chrome button and it will instantly start downloading Chrome on your PC. You can see the setup just right here. After the download gets finished, you can navigate to your downloads folder and click on Chrome setup. Once you click it, it will instantly start downloading Google Chrome on your PC too. And after this gets finished, you can easily see Google Chrome on your PC. You can open it instantly. Usually, Google Chrome cannot be deleted from a mobile phone. But if you don't see it on your mobile phone, it may be disabled. So, to enable it, you can simply navigate to Settings, click on the search icon and search for Apps. Now, click on Apps, click on the search icon and search for Google Chrome. Now click on Chrome and as you can see, it's currently disabled. So I'll have the option to enable it. Once I click this, it will instantly be enabled. Now, if you don't see it on your mobile phone, you can simply navigate to Play Store, click on the search icon and search for Chrome. Now, click on Google Chrome. Now, if you won't have Google Chrome on your mobile phone, you will see the install button here instead of the open button. After you do this, you'll have successfully installed Google Chrome on your mobile phone. So, that's how you install Google Chrome on PC and mobile. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.